Need the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Villa Siesta Retirement Village area? If you are looking for an auto body repair shop in Round Rock's Villa Siesta Retirement Village area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Villa Siesta Retirement Village service. Complete auto body quotes if it's been in a mishap. Obtaining your auto dealt with is a wise method to maintain your vehicle going particularly. It can truly conserve you cash as well as time. Nevertheless, understanding where to take your vehicle for fixings is a hard choice. You wish to see to it that you are obtaining high-quality fixing at a practical expense. When selecting a vehicle body fixing store, there are great deals of points to browse for. If your vehicle requires fixing, discover exactly how to select the extremely finest vehicle fixing store for your car. You need to begin looking by asking around or going down right into Regional Vehicle Body Service Center. Figure out what type of job they do, how much time it will certainly require to finish the fixings, just how much it will certainly cost you, as well as the type of procedure they utilize to deal with vehicles, as well as anything else you may believe is necessary. Below are a couple of even more points to seek. When you wish to obtain your auto repaired, you need to make the effort to choose a great vehicle body fixing business. Seek a store that gives a wide variety of services. In this way, each of your vehicle body needs can be satisfied at the exact same place as well as cared for by the exact same licensed expert. This is not a single indicator, however, if a store has actually been around for a long time, it is most likely that they are relied on as well as need to do a great task on your car. Do not choose a store that has several poor evaluations. If you were to have any type of problems down the roadway, you desire to be certain that they will certainly be around to promote any type of guarantee or assurance that they are most likely asssurance you. See to it that you authorize of the high quality of job that the vehicle body store creates. You wish to obtain the fixing done the proper way the very first time. It is totally appropriate to ask the store to see circumstances of the job they have actually previously done. This will certainly provide you the greatest concept of what to expect. Although that high quality is amongst one of the most considerable points you are seeking, you will certainly wish to obtain a great cost also. Do not simply select the very first store. Search about as well as contrast all elements of their solution. After that, choose the one you really feel fits you as well as your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.